Moving medical devices, equipment, and even anatomical tissues and whole body donations is no easy task. But since 2002, Freight Services has refined the process and simplified the shipping challenges for tissue banks, hospitals, universities, and device industries. To help you meet today's intense shipping challenges, Freight Services works quickly to arrange your time-sensitive freight with custom-created options for even the most unique delivery situations. Working within all regulatory guidelines, we ensure your life science and bioskills shipments are accurately prepared for shipping, all documentation is handled, and your shipment is picked up and delivered without delay. Simply put, we get it. Lives are at stake, and that's why no details are overlooked. When you reach out to us, we know exactly the right transportation carrier and freight network that works for specific delivery requests. We get started immediately on preparing all the documentation on your behalf and ensuring your expectations are met. And with more than 700 domestic and worldwide agents across 6 continents, Freight Services is the specialized logistics team that helps you ship with confidence. As the leader in fully managed shipping services specializing in global medical education and research, we are Freight Services.